Japan naghahanap ngayon ng 350 Filipino nurses and care workers, and good news, may G2G program. Isa ka bang nurse or caregiver na gusto magtrabaho sa Japan? Legally, safely, at under government program pa? Kung oo, baka ito na talaga ang opportunity na hinihintay mo. Hello mga karikra, Jen here. At sa video natin ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin ang latest government hiring ng Japan para sa 50 nurses and 300 care workers. Under ito ng Japan International Corporation of Welfare Service or JECWILS at process ito through the government agency. Ibig sabihin, government-to-government program ito. So alamin natin yung qualifications, language training requirements, at paano ba mag-apply sa step-by-step process. About the program, ang employer ay Japan International Corporation of Welfare Services or JECWILS. Yung worksite naman sa Japan.